Alright, guys, let me welcome you warmly. Check this out. We've received a new merch, and this is perfect for those of you who are bushcrafters who like to spend time in the wild. Check it out. This is cool. Leave the city noise behind. And we've also got a nice tea collection on Teespring. So, guys, make sure to check it out. And if you like drinking your coffee or your tea out of the city, this is it. Okay, proudly by Shawas Design, which is our affiliate. All right, so make sure to go and check it out, guys. And obviously, if you love it, if you like it, make sure to get some discount codes on Teespring that you can order this beautiful, nice cup. All right, and you can actually order it from Teespring again. Remember, this is our own design. You will not find the same cup anywhere else. So there you go. You will taste your tea and coffee wonderfully in this beautiful, beautiful piece. Kochani, zapraszamy do kupowania tego kubeczka na Teespring. Jeśli kochacie spędzać czas w lesie, na zewnątrz, no to zostawiajcie to miasto, to oblężone miasto, te zakorkowane miasto, te ulice betonoze w tyle i jedźcie do lasu. Tam można się napić takiej pysznej herbaty bądź kawy w tym super, super zaprojektowanym indywidualnie kubeczku. Zapraszamy.